So season 5 of Stranger Things just released and damn, I was thrilled to see this, and the one thing that stood out was VFX. I was so thrilled that I watched season 4 again, then season 3, then season 2, and of course season 1. As I was watching it, I kept on looking for shots to recreate, like any other lover of VFX. Then I stumbled upon this guy right here. It's not that there were not 1,000 other shots I could create, like this one, or this, or this, or this, or this, or this, and I could go on and on. But I put my mashed potato laptop into consideration. So I chose a shot that would require less animation and less power. So I started with the added creation. The height was 3.6 meters, and then I just eyeballed the rest. And you won't believe what gave me the biggest issue. The windows, the goddamn Boolean modifier wasn't working properly, but I did it. It was quite an easy fix, in fact. And then there was lighting, the most crucial part of this scene. I used 5 lights for it. The first was facing the windows, facing the camera, to give it some backlight. The next was a stronger area light on one of those windows, because that was how it was in the reference. Always use reference. I put a really bright area light at the window on the top. I reduced the spread and added noise to it to give it more variation. I added a point light on the left in a red color for contrast, and also it just makes it look cooler, so I did it. There was a light in front of the subject that I regret putting, but life goes on, I guess. I then added a volumetric cube. 2, actually, to give more variation. Make sure to like and subscribe. I used the built-in add-on in Blender that turns annotations to curves, so I just drew all over the place. After all that, this is what I got.